Two pigeons, Pete and Polly, were having a chat. "I heard humans use GPS to find their way," said Pete. Polly fluffed her feathers. "We have something better, Earth's magnetic field." Pete nodded. "Yeah, but I still get lost sometimes." Polly chuckled. "That's because you keep flying in circles." Pete sighed. "Maybe I should get a GPS too." Polly laughed. "Or just stop chasing your tail." Just then, a human walked by with a map. Pete squawked, "See, even they need help." Polly winked. "At least we don't need to ask for directions.